Hey, signing and managing your Lead Gantt subscription. That's coming up. Once your Lead Gantt trial has expired, you can subscribe to it in your sidebar. You will see the subscribe button appear in your sidebar after the trial period is over. If you click on the subscribe button, it'll take you to a checkout page. And once you check out from your page, you will receive an email that'll say that you subscribe to Lead Gantt. At the bottom of the same email, you'll see that there is a link, which when you click, it'll take you to another page where you can manage your subscription. All you have to do is put in the email address that you used to subscribe to Lead Gantt in the first place, and it'll send you a link about on how to manage your subscription. So when you click on that link, it'll take you inside your subscription area where you've got your payment plan, your subscription, and when you click on them, you can manage your subscription from within this area.